Lotta! I'll see you later. Lotta! You made a mess of this file and you had the guts to take bathroom break? Who told you could do that?
No, I just went for...
You just what? Fix it and make sure I receive it before Cub. Lotta? Lotta?
Yes.
Please, oh. Are you dragging any position with this woman in this company?
She know.
Now, wow. This kind of woman.